This is a great infographic showing how to stop using HR jargon and start speaking like a human. Marketing teams write for third to fifth graders, not because audiences are dumb, but because busy people just don't have time to decode your email. Employees are required to elect benefits during open enrollment period utilizing the benefits portal. Failure to complete the Section 125 election will result in automatic carryover of existing coverage. Employees skip this and they get confused. It's too confusing. And then we have an alternative here. Pick your health plan during open enrollment. If you don't pick, your current plan continues automatically. Easy. What's the result? People understand and then they act. They take action when they understand. Another example of some HR jargon, utilize the self-service portal. What's the alternative? Go to the benefits website. What's the HR jargon? Qualifying life events necessitate documentation within 30 days. What's a better way of saying this? Got married? Had a baby? Tell us within 30 days. HR version, deductible accumulation applies per calendar year. What's the alternative way of saying that? Your $1,000 deductible resets every year, every January 1st. HR's version, premium contribution rates are tiered based off of coverage elections. What's a better way of saying this? Your cost depends on which plan you pick and the dependents you enroll. How to simplify your language, remove acronyms, use short sentences. Ask yourself, would a 10-year-old understand this? And use the words you and your when you can. And if you're ready to get writing on these emails, get started today, you can reach out to me directly at melissa@nomadinsgrp.com and request an employee communication guide with over 20 templates on emails like this that can help you communicate better and communicate your employee benefits better with your employees.